Okay, let's start the unboxing now. It's a mystery box from Flipkart. Let's see what's inside. Okay, I think this is the BoAt Rockerz 400. Okay, let's see how the box looks now. Wow, it looks good. Let's see what's written on the box. Oh, it got an 8 hours of playback time, 2 hours of charging time, 100 hours of standby time. Okay, so let's see what's the price it's mentioned in this. Okay, I think there's no price mentioned. Okay, there is no price mentioned. That's good. I think it's for free. Okay, let's open the box now. Let's tear off the tapes. Be careful while tearing off the tapes. Okay, let's see what's inside the box now. Okay, it's nicely wrapped in a plastic skeleton box. Now we have the BoAt 400 Rockerz. Okay, so what's in the box? So we have the BoAt. Now we have a small package of cables. Let's see what is it. Okay, we have a 3.5 mm aux to aux cable, 3.5 mm cable, and then we have a charging adapter, which is a micro USB. Okay, now I think that's just in the box. Let's see how the BoAt looks. Okay, we have the BoAt branding, and to the other side we have again the BoAt branding, and then we have buttons on the sides. Okay, we have buttons to accept calls, to pause, play, and we have the micro USB port. We have the 3.5 mm jack, and on the other side we have the microphone over here. This is the microphone, and we have everything. Okay, it's a foldable pattern one, and I think that's much we can say on the BoAt. I think it's a good package, worth around $1,000. Okay, so we have it as a pretty good build quality. Okay, that's our first comment, so we'll post another video of how the audio quality is. Thanks for watching. Bye. Ta-ta.